Hello and welcome back to another soap making video. If you are new here, I'm Sue. I make videos about how to make soap and the chemistry behind it. Let's start with preparing the lye solution. I always add citric acid to prevent soap scum. If you're new to soap making, it is very important to do some research on lye safety before you make soap. To support you with some helping information, I wrote a short lye safety guide which you can download for free from my website sueandsoap.com. For today's soap, I'm using cocoa butter, coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, and castor oil. I always premix my colorants in oil. This is an absolutely optional step. You don't have to do that. I like to do it because it makes it much easier to mix them into the soap batter and you don't need to stick blend as long as you would need if you don't premix. The last steps I do for preparation is to add sodium lactate to the lye solution and kaolin clay to the oils, which I also premix before soaping. Now that everything is prepared, let's start soaping. I always give you timestamps for my videos in the description below, as well as some helpful links to the supplies and ingredients I use, and the recipe for the soap. All my soap recipes are palm oil free, so when you are interested in some further information, have a look at the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, sharing and subscribing. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye.